I started my YouTube journey with just 5,000 naira mic. Yes, something like this. This small S set with wire like charging cable. If you bend down too much, it go start doing kerr. Today, this same mic costs 15,000 naira. Let me tell you, I started from jaga-jaga to getting some of my best performing videos and why you should stop waiting for perfect gadget before you start. For lighting, I no get ring lights that time. I bought one mini halogen bulb with 4,500 naira. Wrap it with 2 layers of A4 paper to soften the light. And just like that, DIY softbox. My tripod unko na tabletop style and managed by am 6,005. And the way that thing dey wobble, sometimes I feel like breeze go just blow and come off from my table. Fufu steady person. But guess what? The videos I recorded with all of these local setup, they are still my best performing videos till today. If you don't believe me, visit Olawa Media channel and you'll see some of my best performing videos. They were done with all of this. Crazy, right? I've upgraded since then. Better phone, better lights, but nothing has stopped the raw energy and fire of those first few videos. Why? Because the gear didn't matter, the message mattered, the value mattered, the energy mattered. So let me tell you this loud and clear. If gear is the only thing stopping you from launching your YouTube channel, you're looking at it the wrong way. Your phone is enough. Your voice is enough. Your idea is enough. If you're ready to learn and grow, let's talk about the real gear you need. Passion. This is your fuel. If you don't care about what you are talking about, people will feel it. Consistency. Even if your first 5 videos flop, show up. What about long-term focus? You are building a brand, not just chasing like. See, before you think about buying camera, first buy sense to upgrade your skills. Learn how to edit your videos. Learn how to write better hooks and titles. Learn how to create thumbnails. Learn how to keep people watching. Guess how much those things cost? 0 naira. But they will take you further than 500,000 gadgets you never sabi use. Start with what you have. Polish it, improve it, then go into better gear later. Don't let shiny equipment distract you from the real goal, which is building your voice and audience. Look, everybody starts somewhere. Some people start with DSLR camera, others start with their iPhone 7 and a shoebox tripod, but the ones who grow, they are the ones who start with what they have and stay consistent till better things come. Sometimes the only thing standing between you and your breakthrough is that phone in your hand. So stop saying I will start when I buy ring lights or I need a MacBook first. Now lie now. Start now, build as you grow, and if you need help figuring out how to buy your next gear or what to buy, or you want someone to review your setup, your video, or even your channel, I've got you covered. Join my free WhatsApp mentorship group. We do weekly channel audits, answer gear questions, and help other people grow. We are not here for perfect, we are here for progress. Like this video if it gingered you, drop a comment with what gear you currently using. Let's motivate each other, and of course, subscribe if you don't want to miss the next episode. This is your sign to start where you are. Use what you have and become who you are meant to be. Catch you in the next one. Keep creating.